On Monday, the Supreme Court will hear arguments on the Texas law that bans abortions once cardiac activity is detected. But the court will not consider the issue of when states can ban abortion. At this point, they'll only focus on whether the Justice Department and abortion providers can sue for a court order to prevent the law from being enforced. KXAN's Monica Madden breaks down the questions facing the High Court and the possible implications of their decision.
On Monday, the U.S. Supreme Court will weigh whether Texas's restrictive abortion law can stay in place while lower courts consider challenges.
The Texas case will not focus on the difficult issue of when states can ban abortion. The Texas case will focus on a very narrow question, a procedural question.
There are two key questions before the High Court. Does the United States have the right to sue Texas? And can Texas pass a law that effectively bans an otherwise constitutional right when it's up to private citizens, not the state, to enforce it?
The United States government argued very forcefully that Texas is trying to frustrate judicial review. Texas argued, as it has before, that these are not proper suits, that the way to test the constitutionality of SB 8 is to actually perform the abortion and wait to be sued and see what the courts say there.
Already, the law has had a ripple effect on abortion access in Texas.
We estimate that the Texas Heartbeat Act saves between 50 to 100 lives every single day.
Some fearing if the Supreme Court allows the law to stay in place, it will further limit abortion access and cause harm to women.
Senate Bill 8 will only lead to more unsafe abortions.
And if the court favors Texas, one civil rights attorney warns this decision will have implications on much more than abortion laws.
Basically green-lighted legislatures across the country to write laws to do away with any constitutional protections they don't like. If California passes a law that's hard to enjoin but bans gun ownership, are we going to just allow that? Are we going to allow states to ban constitutionally protected activity for long chunks of time while lawsuits are proceeding?
The court is expected to make a decision by the end of this month. On December 1st, justices are scheduled to take up the Mississippi abortion case, which is seen as a challenge to Roe v. Wade.